Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is specially for youngsters, and I am hearing your concern, what nobody is talking about. Because a lot of you reached out to me saying about the identity crisis that you are facing. So this video is exclusively for all my fellow viewers who are facing struggle with respect to building an identity around investing. So let's deep dive into today's topic. Now, what does it feel like? Young professional investing. So here is what I thoroughly understand you. You want to invest, and that's where I am with you. You want to invest, but you also want to enjoy your life. You want to look successful, and you also want to be financially responsible. The only difference is that the previous generation did invest entire saving. They did not enjoy life. They did not look successful. They were to some extent financially responsible to provide basic necessities of life. The real confusion begins when you need all of this and that too in your single self. So you want to be a disciplined investor, you want to be a fun person, you want to be a responsible adult, you want to be an Instagram model too, but all in one salary. That's the confusion. And I call this confusion as investing identity crisis. This confusion है solution का पता नहीं. This video is here to give you the solution to clear out all this confusion. And this is coming to you in a very simple framework. So what is an investing identity crisis? So investing identity crisis is when you don't know what kind of investor you are. So you keep switching personalities like an outfit. So 1 month you are long-term investor. Next month you might also become a trader. Then you become a crypto researcher. Then a gold buyer. And sometimes even a fixed deposit lover after one market fall. And your portfolio becomes messy, like a WhatsApp group with no admin. So this journey of switching personalities from long-term investor to a trader to crypto researcher to a fixed deposit lover, just because market is changing, market trends are changing, and you're letting yourself being driven by market dynamics. This is the premise which is creating all the confusion in your life. And why this comes? Because I understand that you guys face pressure, and these are the three most important point where you feel lot of pressure. Social media lifestyle pressure, where everyone looks rich online. Everyone looks rich, and you don't want to feel behind. And I am here to support you. Second, there is lot of information overload. SIP, stocks, ETF, crypto, options, small cap. Too many choices, too many products in the market, too many choices with very little clarity. At the same time, you also hear a lot of pressure from your family. Life is unstable. Big job switches, new job, new efforts, rent, EMI, family expectation. So your risk tolerance changes monthly, as a result of which you are not able to build stable investing identity. Now here I am introducing you the 5 investor personality. People keep switching and they keep bouncing. Let me know which of this personality you resonate most. The first is SIP saint. I only do SIP. He's a very disciplined person, but secretly checks portfolio on an everyday basis. Is discipline working yet? The problem is no review plan, no goal mapping, just blind SIP. Second identity is the tip chaser. This lives on, bro. This stock is guaranteed, huh? This stock is guaranteed. One telegram message and portfolio changes. There is no thesis, no risk control, no regret, no thesis, no risk control, high regret, high share. I would say if your investing is based on bro, it's it will end in oh no. So don't base your investing in bro. Do your own research. Third identity is that of a FOMO trader. This person buys because market is going up, sell because market is going down. Basically, they buy high and sell low consistently. And this talent will definitely ruin their all hard-earned money and their portfolio will go down the drain. Even though they are very talented, the emotions are ruling the show. The emotions are driving the decision. And this becomes very difficult for them to build consistent wealth. Four is Fourth identity is the fearful saver. After one dip, this person says, markets are gambling. I'll only do FD. I don't want to invest in market. Then inflation will quietly eat into their return. They feel fear very high. Fear feels safe for them. They are so fearful that fear only feels safe for them. And it becomes very costly when it comes to long term investing. Fifth identity is DIY genius. They'll watch 50 videos, make 20 spreadsheet, invest, do hundreds of hours of research, but they will not take action. The problem is perfectionism over. They want to be very perfect. And in their zone to become perfect, they are leading them to procrastinate. Each financial decision is procrastinating because they keep on learning and investing and reading about finances. So now I have introduced you, but let me tell you why this identity crisis is dangerous financially. You know what? The real cost is identity switching costs. Because inconsistent investing, trend buying, panic exit, too many products, no strategy, no compounding, because you keep restarting. Compounding needs one thing, and that is consistency. You can't compound if you keep changing your personality every month. You need to be very consistent with your investing identity. You need to be very clear with your goals and your timelines. So let's fix this identity. And here I am presenting to you the 3 steps to fix your investor identity. First is to choose your identity by timeline and not move. Ask yourself 2 questions. When do I need this money? Do I need this in 2 years, 3 to 5 years, or after 5 years? Second, ask yourself, can I handle seeing 20% drawdown in my portfolio without any panic? Are you comfortable seeing 20% of your portfolio being wiped off without any panic? Here you are building your identity by timeline, by goals, and this is not mood driven. Your identity is not I'm brave today. Your identity is my timeline allows this risk. Let's go to step 2, which is core and explore portfolio. This is the simplest solution for young gen professional, I would say. Have 80 to 90% of your investment in your core portfolio. This would be boring, diversified, long-term investment. This could also be in the SIP of broad index fund or large cap fund or any SIPs which you want to retain it for a longer period of time. The core portfolio is basically goal aligned portfolio. Here you are very responsible with this investment. Explore is almost 10 to 20% of your portfolio, where you put it in your curiosity basket, where you want to try new themes, new stock, new ideas, new crypto. But it's a control risk because it's never going to go beyond 10 to 20% of your portfolio. This This step solves the identity crisis because here you are responsible and you are curious. You are not confused. Core is the core portfolio is meant for compounding. The Explore will help you to satisfy your curiosity without blowing up your plan. You stop switching personality every month and you stay put with your core Explore framework. Now, step three is young professional version. Step three of our plan is to make rules so that you don't switch personality. Simple rule that you follow on a regular basis so your decisions are not mood driven. Review your portfolio on a monthly basis, not daily. Have a 24-hour pause before buying into hot ideas. Have 24-hour pause before making any lifestyle upgrade. No leverage for investing in stock market. No borrowing for investing in stock market. Very clear. Keep this your goal. Stop loss for Have stop loss for all your investment if you are investing directly into stock market. And you just have option to change one rule per month max. These rules are designed to protect you from mood-based investing. It's going to be a system-based investing and it will help your portfolio compound at regular period of time. Now, here is what I'm presenting to you. Young professional starter plan. How can you start investing so you have a good purpose over a period of 5 to 10 years? So, 4-step simple plan. First, have an emergency fund. This fund is necessary to build a basic buffer first. Second, I would say start with 1 or 2 SIP for your core portfolio. Understand your risk-taking capacity, understand your goals and the timelines that you have. Based on that, select a SIP that suits all this parameter and start invest. Third, explore. Your Explore portfolio should not be more than 10% in the initial stage. Keep it minimum to 10%. As your overall portfolio grows, you can increase your Explore portfolio to up to 20%. What I would say, increase your SIP when your salary increase. That's it. No complicated. If you have increment of 10%, increase your SIP by 10%. If you have increment of 20%, increase your SIP by 20%. You don't need to become financial expert overnight to build an investing identity. You need a simple, stable system that you can stick to on a regular basis. Stable identity and a simple system will help you to fight your investing identity crisis. If still confusion hai, then you can reach out to me. I have already shared the solution with all of you. Let me know in a comment section below which identity are you today. Are you SIP saint, a tip chaser, FOMO trader, fearful saver, or DIY genius? Whatever is your identity, please comment in comment section below. And if you need any guidance or support from my side to help you build your identity or to help you build your portfolio, do reach out to me. I'm here to help. If any of your friends are struggling with identity crisis when it comes to investing, do share this video with them. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll be back with more interesting topic.